G'day guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mow steep hills with a zero turn or ride on mower. Alright guys, so mowing up steep hills. I'm going to give you 4 quick tips on how to do so. Number 1 is stay within your comfort zone, most important. Can't stress this enough, probably be the 4th tip as well, because it's so important. Only mow within your comforts. As you can see here, I'm only mowing 3/4 of the way up the hill because I'm not comfortable going up to the wall there because it is so it just gets very steep. So always just mow within your limits. Number 2. Okay, so this is most important, second most important obviously, is keeping the mower straight. Don't attempt to turn around. Keep the mower backwards and forwards in one direction. So up the hill, as you can see here, I'm going up the hill, keeping it straight. And I don't try and turn on a hill. I turn at the top of the hill and come back down, keeping the mower straight at all times, never attempting to turn. So number 2, always keep the mower straight and up. If you're going up a hill, keep it straight. If you're going down a hill, keep it straight. Alright, tip number 3, make sure the conditions are perfect for mowing on hills. Make sure that there hasn't been any rain for the last 24 hours and that the ground is not soggy or muddy. And again, tip number 4, always mow within your comfort zones and stay safe. Happy mowing. See you later.